to use the graphic organizers we have in front of us in order for us to write complete short responses. When we write short responses, we are given a prompt. We use the prompt in order for us to restate our question, to answer the question, to cite evidence, and then to explain how the details or the evidence in the text support our explanation or inference.
What would be the first step that we would do when we are getting ready to write our short response, Leslie?
We have to restate the question, including your inference and your claim.
Great. Now, Leslie, in doing so, when we restate our answer and our inference and our claim, we have answered the question. Great. What comes next, Jemima?
And next, we have this.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. You can read it right off the sheet. You have it right there in front of you.
It's text say.
Step 2.
Oh, step 2. Provide one relevant detail from the text that support your inference.
Good. So you're going to answer the question by making an inference. Then you're going to provide one detail that supports that inference. Now, in using the details, how are we going to organize it, Leslie? What words can we use to help us?
Some words that we can use to recognize our inference or our claim is, or our examples are, in the text it states, in the text it says, as stated in the text, in paragraph, such as it says, for example, and another example.
Great.
Very nice.
So these are ways when we state the first detail, we use those specific transitional words that will lead us into stating or writing the evidence from a text in our response. Now we need to move from the first detail to the second detail. How can we do that?
What kind of words can we use to help us to transition smoothly?
Some transition words that we can use are, another detail is, another example, in paragraph blank it says, in addition, the text states.
Excellent. So we see we have already stated the first. We now move into the second detail. Great. Now, what do we do at the end, Jemima? We have stated the first detail, second detail. What can we do at the end?
I reread and have include all parts to answer the question. As you reread, check off the steps to make sure that you have them.
Excellent. So, how can we tie up all the details we have stated from the text to support the answer and to support also to our inference or claim?
We have to reread.
Okay. But how can we tie it up? What words can we use now as we are tying it up?
This tells me, this shows me, therefore, from the reading, I know that this explains in conclusion.
Great. All right, great.
Sorry, I'm going to go to the bathroom.